If you're a beginner trader or someone who is intermediate and you're looking for trading strategies to help you become a more profitable trader, I know you might have come across several things that you should look for when trading Forex. But Forex is not supposed to be anything hard or complicated, it's supposed to be simple. So you might see things like turtle structure, crocodile structure, rabbit structure, possibly every creature in the animal kingdom. But in this video, I am going to show you that you don't need any indicator other than your eyes and your brain. In addition, I'll be showing you exactly what 2 things to look for in the market in order to make big profits. So with that said, just remember to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's begin.
Alright, so basically the 2 things that we're going to look at is the bullish pin bar pattern, the bearish pin bar pattern is basically reverse of each other, and we're going to look at the bullish and bearish engulfing pattern. So I think this is probably a better example. But yeah, basically the bearish pin bar pattern is basically alright, so the market was going up and then it reached up, but then it started wicking down. So it wicks down basically. It's basically like our price went up there, but it didn't close it at that time frame. At this particular point, it came back down to here, which kind of signifies that, oh, alright, price probably want to turn over and then goes down. And it's basically the opposite for the bearish pin bar. So say it comes down and then now it went down further, but it came back up. Say it formed the bullish pin bar. This is basically a pin bar where you just see the excess wick basically. So it came back down and push up. So that's basically it for the bullish pin bar, bearish pin bar. And for the bullish engulfing is basically the either bullish or bearish, but in this case it's a bullish candle covering all the move that the previous candle made. So this was the bearish move, open close, and the bullish, it came down a little bit but then come back up and came strong. So it's like it decided, alright, I was going to go down a little bit, but then you know what, I can't bother and continue going up. So basically bullish candle closes above previous candle open, length of the bullish in candle engulfing the previous red candle. So basically, and it would be the opposite. So this would be the bullish engulfing where the bull, which is the green candle, covers all the moves that the red one did, and this would be the bearish where basically the green bullish candle, basically the bearish candle covered all the moves that the green or bullish did. So now that we know that, the other thing we're going to need to know is zones, and I am going to show you zones on the chart. Alright, so basically this is a zone. So this is like a roof. They normally call it roof and floor, but it's like basically zone. A zone is basically where price actually behaves or like turns over from where it was initially. So just know that zones, like oftentimes you won't get it like exact because sometimes they do vary, but yeah, it's more like, you know, say, so zone is basically this where market react. This would be a consolidation. Honestly, I did a few videos detailing all of these, so I would like you could go check it out. But what we're going to really do now is I'm just going to show you like an example of where the market would go using the same zone, using the bullish engulfing and bullish pin bar. So we're going to do this right here. In the week I'll start doing some back testing, but basically this is what's going to happen. Alright, so basically you see that, alright, bomb price was going up, but then it basically came to like a zone area, and then it started doing the whole pin bar thing, which basically was an indication that price wanted to go back down. So see there, pin bar and price continue to go down. So normally how we would enter on this was, alright, zone, so it's at a zone, and then what we would do now is use our short tool, and let's say, alright, we closed, or even we stopped and decide, alright, we're going to turn over and even put it right here. So our aim would be to have it right there and have our stop loss above the previous candlestick, just a little bit above it. Sometimes you can overcompensate, but yeah, and my boring 1 to 3 or 1 to however you feel. So basically this would have been a winning trade. So there's a zone, and you see a pin bar, a bearish pin bar, and you push down. It will be the same for, say, a bullish pin bar. See if I can find one. Bullish pin bar will be, alright, you close that zone right here, market reacting to some level, alright, so bomb, react, say we entered here, I was there, then you see come back down here, so and it starts the engulfing basically, but sell pin bar, using pin bar same way, and alright, bomb, and come back down, bomb, and say, alright, you know what, we're going up, so it'll be the same thing, so bomb, and say enter right here, because there's a sort of put that previous, and then you do your 1 to 3 or 1 to however, basically. So that will be for the pin bar. And now let's see if we can find engulfing. Even this in and out itself was an engulfing because it covered the whole move basically, but I just want to find something different that I could show you guys. Alright, so here's the note. So let's say that, alright, we're going to do the engulfing now. So remember, engulfing is covering the move. So this one would be a bearish engulfing. So if you look at it, one, it was at a zone, but then you saw that the price literally covered the whole move. So green was going up, come at that price, and then cover everything. And we would enter maybe after this close, so we get confirmation, alright, price going to continue to go down after it closes below. So we would simply do our basic mojo. This is an example. I wouldn't use this amount of lot size, probably go down on a smaller time frame, but just saying. And then you do your 1 to 3, 1 to 2 point odd, and 1 to 3 basically. So see there, 1 to 3 same way, 1 to 3 basically, 1 to 3. It's a lot of pips in a 36, but basically you see the concept with the bullish. Let me see if I can find a bearish, something like this. I want to find something at a zone because we're just trying to like keep at the zone areas and work from there. So alright, just some right here, so where you notice, alright, it was at a zone, and then see the bottom week out, but then you see the green candlestick covered everything, and then alright, that's basically our confirmation. So, alright, it's going to probably go up. So we would, same principle, we'll put it right at the close where the price decided to close, and this would be bullish engulfing, bullish this time instead of bearish, bullish. And basically this is what we do. So put it right there. So right below it, and you try aim for a 1 2 3. So yeah guys, so basically that is it for this video. I try to keep it short. I'll be doing like a set of actual, series backtesting, showing you guys the strategy. It's going to be basically the same thing, repeating itself over and over until we get it. So just like the video, share, comment, subscribe, everything the world works. Is me. I try to push out more content like this till I just revise and like see if whomsoever watching, you can like reminisce in your head and you just watch it and be nice. But basically that's it for this video. Let me guys catch you in the next video. Peace. So by the way, you can go watch my other set of videos. Those also help. So yeah.